Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix Instagram app not updating to the latest version. Okay, first of all, what you need to do, you need to swipe down from like the control center. You need to swipe down the control center at the top right. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and restart your device by clicking the shutdown icon or the lock icon at the top right. Okay, and then reopen it again using or holding your lock screen button, right, or lock screen finger, lock screen tab. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen, go ahead to the App Store, Google Play, and then click the search at the bottom right here, like this, and then just try to pin down Instagram. Try to look for, right, Instagram. Make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. If there is any new update, make sure that you do it now. What you're gonna do next, you're gonna clear some cache. Go back to your screen, go ahead to the settings, and then go ahead to the general, then iPhone storage. You know, wait for a few moments right here. Then go ahead to the Instagram, and you're gonna upload the app. And by uploading the app, of course, you're gonna release some unnecessary data or files within the app, and that should fix it. Next, check the iPhone storage, right? If Instagram takes a lot of, or if your iPhone is filled up, you might need to actually start considering the fact that you need to upload some of the apps or delete some of the unnecessary apps. Next, what you're gonna do, go back to your screen, hold the Instagram app, and then delete the app. Okay, and double click to delete the app and reinstall it again from the App Store or Google Play. Lastly, what you're gonna do, go ahead to the settings, go back to the main setting, and then go ahead to the general, and then software update. I'm highlighting it, and then you're gonna be able right here to see if there is any update on iOS, right? An outdated system might block updates. So if that's all you did, you're probably gonna fix the Instagram app not updating to the latest version problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. We will catch you in the next time.